Alright guys, good morning. Gonna run this for Corey. He's got to pick one here. Pick this one, or this one. Got some options there. 12 spots at 5. We are gonna go live. We are live. 8:35. 8:35. We are gonna grab the list. 12 spots. And we are going to drop it into random. The 12 entries, Jason on the bottom, Ryan on top. We are going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 7. We are going 7 times. Good luck. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Dice shows a 7. Next click wins. Good luck. And 7. Congrats to Joe, spot number 8. You are the winner. Get in touch with Corey and make your selection. We are done. 8:36 a.m. We'll go back. We will type done. We are done. 8:36. 8:36. Here's the timestamp and the verification.